Hello everyone, so welcome back to Khmerue Teams Official Channel. I am Mr. CHHUOY again, and today I will teach you how to make a circle, a red circle zip with Adobe Photoshop. Now, before we get started, you need to create a new layers, or we can say it in a blank white paper first. So you need to click on a new, and don't care about size because we're gonna create a new small size. Okay, here is the layer that we have once already created here. It is a white paper, and now we're gonna choose this one rectangular marquee tool, and you need to select just like that. Okay, select like that. Okay, and you need to click on this one first to reselect some more, put inside here. Okay, and now we're gonna already select with the squares, triangle shape like this. If you want any shape, you can do it just by your own ideas, but for me I'm gonna choose this one because I use it to notice about my video tutorial in the future. After you choose that, you're gonna hold the Alt key and drag it to be a zoom, and then you need to insert some paint here by clicking on that, and make sure that the color in front is red, and the background color is blue or black. It is depending on you, but if you want to red, you must to select this color to the red. Okay, now and press Ctrl D to unselect. Sorry. Now you need to Ctrl Z to select, and then you need to click Ctrl Shift and I to reverse select all the part, the white part here, and then click on delete. Okay, and wait a few minutes because it's seeing like this because you have been locked the background. Now you're gonna Ctrl Z to double click on it, and then select to unlock, and then start to delete again. And now we're gonna press Ctrl D to deselect, and now you can drag it here. The mark is here, and now we're gonna crop it with this tool, crops tool here, and select it. Select the side that you want to crop, just like that, and then hit enter. And after you have already noted that it is already work fine and good, you don't need to drag anything, just inside this, so keep it in the same place. And now go to the Windows, on the top of the bar, and you will see the timeline here, and select timelines. And now you have timelines now, and now I'm going to click on the filter that you want to change the colors or change anything by right click on that and go to blending option, and here is the color that you want to change. For example, like this, like this, like this, like this. Or you can also add the gradient overlays also. But now we're gonna choose this red one, and then you need to create this one too. You need to click on that, and now we have 2 clips now. You have 2 clip frames now, and the next you're gonna change it to other colors. For example, this purple here, and then click OK, and then OK. And if you want to add any drops, drop shadow just like that to make it very clear to look, you can also drop it. Okay, and now we have 2 now with 2 clips on this shift. Well, so one is this and one is here. But when you see it is one color between 1 and 2, it nothing changes. But when you click on the 2, and then you change the color to purple or anywhere or anything, and then click OK, it means this 1 and 2 is different colors. When when you click play, you will see the blacks and the purple is changing each other from 1 to 1. And now we're gonna click at the last one and then add one more, and then you're gonna click on the same folder again, and you need to change it to other colors. For example, this one, and click OK. Okay, and now we got the three clip like this, 1, 2, 3, and now we're gonna click play. So what happened to this zip now? Zip is now we're gonna click on play here, just like that. It is too fast. If you think it is fast, you need to reduce the speed from 0.1 second to 0.2 second or 1 second. If you want to be slower of the zips, but for me, I'm not gonna use slower, so I need to use it faster and create at least 5 to 10 zips. But you don't remember that you don't move this to or drag it to any place. Sometimes it can be changed or wrong place. So keep it at the same place with the 3 or 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 with the same place. No need to change or drag to change its original place. Now I'm gonna create a new one. And we start doing that up to 5, and now I'm gonna choose this color here and then click OK, and one more again, and we gotta choose color overlays, and then we're gonna change it to other place. Okay, now it looks like very good looking now. And now you remember that you click at the last one and then add a new layers, and then you're gonna change it to blacks, also blacks, black is also work fine too. And now gonna choose other ones, and I think what you can change whatever you want the colors. So it is you can make a decision by yourself by choosing what you want. And now I'm gonna play it. Okay, it works fine now. But if you want to look something very good and perfectly, you should add more, at least 10 clip inside it. So now we're gonna choose white also here. And the next one is like that. Now I'm gonna choose purple. This purple. Okay, this purple here and here and here. Now we're gonna choose okay, that's red also. When you choose red, it means the first one and the last one is the same, so it can be not very good. So you need to add only one more thing. Just go to the blues, just like that. Okay, now it all, and gonna click that. Okay, it works fine now. And now we're gonna save it. Now we're gonna save as a web for web. Here's save for web, not save as or save. So you need to click save for webs. When you see the save for web, and you choose the extension as a zips, and then you don't need to change anything inside this, and then you just click on the save, and then find the location folder that you want to save, and then click save. Now we got one more with an PNG file and a zip PNG file here. Now gonna click open it. Now gonna open with this one. Now it works fine now. So I think this video is help you for the PNG zip file and create a circle, create a square zips. For example, to help you in a video tutorial. Thank you for watching my video tutorial, and please subscribe for my channel Khmerue Teams Official, and you will get more video from me. Thank you.